Hi, today I'm going to show you some of the interesting civil engineering structures in Assam. So let's start. If you don't know where Assam is, it's located in the northeast part of India. If you check the India map, you will find there. First one is the Bhupen Hazarika Setu or Dhola Hodia Bridge. Is the longest river bridge in India and its length is 9.15 km. It connects Assam and Arunachal Pradesh. It's over the Lohit River and it is the longest river bridge in India. Its span is 50 meter and number of span is 183 and number of foundation is 184. Let me show you what do you mean by the span. Okay, if you see from the center of the support and to the another center of the support, distance between these two center is called the span. So in this case the span is from the center so that's your span. Its span is 50 meter. Okay, and number of span, that means this is one span, second, third, and number of foundation is 184. These are your foundations. Okay, and they said that it could withstand weight of 60-ton battle tank. It's a huge weight that it can bear and its cost is around 1000 crore Indian rupees. The second is Bogibeel Bridge. It is the longest road cum railway river bridge in India. That means in the lower deck, in the lower part, railway tracks are there and at the above roadway is there. So it accompanies both railway and roadway. Its length is 4.94 km and it is over the Brahmaputra river. It is the combination of double railway and double lane road. That means two trains could go at a time. I will show you, you will know. And similar that its span is 125 meter from the center. So that's your 125 meter and number of span 41. That's your 1, 2, like that. There are 41 spans. And number of foundation, these are your foundations, 42. It connects Assam and Arunachal Pradesh and it costs around 5900 crores Indian rupees. The third one is the Digboi refinery. It is the India's first oil refinery. It is also called the birthplace of oil industry in India. It was first drilled in 1889 and it is also the Asia's first and oldest working refinery. The fourth is the Guwahati Ropeway. It is the India's longest passenger ropeway across a river. and its length is 1.2 kilometer, and it cost around 56.08 crore Indian rupees. It connects south bank of Brahmaputra and North Guwahati. And while crossing this, it passes the smallest river island in the world, that is Umananda. And the last one is the Dhubri Fulbari Bridge. It is not yet built. It will be completed around 26-27, and this will be the longest river bridge in India, which length is more than 19 kilometer. That's a huge amount. And it will be 4-lane roadway, and it will connect Assam to Meghalaya. It will have 4-lane roadway. Don't worry about this lane, I will show you. And it will cost around 3166 crore Indian rupees. So this is your lane. Let me show you, you will know. For double roadway, it will have only one lane here and one lane here. Then it will be double. Okay. Again, similar to that, this is your 4-lane, and that's your 6. So double and 4 and 6 lane. That's how we know that how many lane the roadway is. If you like my video, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. And if I have missed out any interesting topics related to civil engineering, do comment down and give a thumbs up if you like the video. Till then, sayonara.